Hey everybody, today's Tuesday, May 5th. If you've been keeping up with your daily assignments, congratulations on finishing the book yesterday. Yesterday you should have read chapter 29 and the epilogue, and that was it. So if you're a little bit behind, take today to get caught up. Go back. You can listen to Miss Anderson's recordings. They're still in all of the folders. Go back, listen to the recordings, or read along. For today, it is a learning support day, but we have done a couple of things different. We did add an assignment, but it's not for a grade. It is the study guide for the test that is on Thursday. So for today, we are still having our Google Meet at 2 p.m. So you can jump on, ask questions. If you're not sure about something, if you have an assignment you're not sure about that you still are trying to get submitted, jump on, let us know. We'll help you get all of that taken care of. You know, as of Friday, there's no new material. So we will be working with students that have not quite met the criteria for quarter 4 and students that might need to remediate, okay? Otherwise, if you have all of your graded assignments in, then you can start turning in your iPad as of next week. I think they sent out the information for that. So, for today, the discussion post, there are 2 questions, and it says, please answer both questions. Number 1, have you submitted and received a grade for all graded work? All right, simply go into PowerSchool, look at it. If you don't have any blanks where there should be a grade, then your answer is yes. If your answer is no to that, you need to figure out what it is you're missing. Go to that assignment. Maybe you did it and thought you submitted it. You need to kind of do a little research on your own. Find that assignment to see if you have it somewhere on your iPad that you may have completed it and forgot to submit. And let's get those taken care of. Number 2, are you reviewing chapters 11 to 29 for Thursday's test? Everyone, that should be a yes. We have, again, put the study guide in here a little bit early so that you have it for a couple days. If you can get this study guide finished, then tomorrow on Wednesday, we're actually going to do a Google Meet at 1 p.m. That information is up here in the assignment. So if you read through the assignment, it says complete study guide for test. You do not have to turn this in. We will have a Google Meet Wednesday at 1 p.m. to review for Thursday's summative test. So that means Thursday's 9 a.m. Google Meet is canceled. We will not have that. There's no need for it. We don't have many people that jump on at 9 o'clock in the morning. So we figured we'd hit more people in the afternoon on Wednesday. That was Miss Anderson's idea, so it was a great idea. So I said, yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Let's cancel Thursday's 9 a.m. Hopefully get more people on at Wednesday at 1 p.m. Ask any questions about the review, the study guide that you weren't sure about. Or just whatever it may be, okay? But really, we want to take Wednesday as a review and to go over the study guide. Answer any questions you may have about the story that you were confused about, and certainly if you weren't able to answer any of the questions on the study guide, we want to make sure you know those. So jump on it Wednesday at 1. Something else really cool for today at 12 o'clock on Facebook. If you go to the Dawson County Middle School page, they're doing a Facebook Live, a farewell to you guys. It's a farewell to 7th graders. It's our only chance to kind of wish you well and for you to listen to some all the great things that your teachers had to say about you. So please jump on. Teachers will be on there as well. We'll be maybe making some comments on Facebook. So jump on there and maybe we can kind of see what's going on. You can see our post. Maybe you can post something back, okay? Wish everybody well. All right, other than that, I think that's it for today. Really, it's a learning support day, but we went ahead and put the study guide in there for you to get done. Meet us tomorrow at a Google Meet. Meet us today at 2 for our Google Meet. Wednesdays will be at 1 p.m. though, because I think math is at 2, and we didn't want to conflict with their session, okay? Hope to see you at the Facebook Live at 12 o'clock today. Have a great day. Bye.